Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something we all think we know how to do, but most of us could do a lot better: reading. I'm not just talking about getting through a book, I'm talking about truly understanding, remembering, and applying what you read. If you've ever finished a chapter and thought, "What did I just read?" then this video is for you. Let's transform your reading from a passive chore into an active, rewarding skill. First things first, stop trying to read everything. Yes, you heard me right. Not all books are created equal. And not all parts of a book deserve the same level of attention before you even open a book. Ask yourself, why am I reading this? Are you looking for a specific piece of information? Are you trying to understand a complex concept? Or are you just reading for pleasure? Your goal determines your strategy. This leads us to the idea of inspecting a book before you commit. Think of it like watching a movie trailer. Look at the title, the table of contents, the introduction, and the conclusion. Skim through the chapters, paying attention to headings, subheadings, and any bolded text. This pre-reading gives you a mental map of the book's structure and main arguments. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn in just 15 minutes. This way, you can decide if the book is worth your time or pinpoint the exact chapters you need to focus on. Now, let's talk about the reading process itself. The key is to be an active, not a passive, reader. Don't just let the words wash over you. Engage with them. The best way to do this is to have a conversation with the author. Ask questions as you read. What is the author trying to say? Do I agree with this point? How does this connect to what I already know? And most importantly, take notes. But I'm not talking about highlighting half the page. Highlighting can create the illusion of learning without actual comprehension. Instead, try writing short summaries in the margins or in a separate notebook after each chapter. Explain the main ideas in your own words. This simple act of rephrasing forces your brain to process and digest the information if you can't explain it simply. You probably don't understand it well enough. Another powerful technique is to connect the ideas to your own life. When you read about a concept, think about where you've seen it before. How can you apply this principle at work, in your relationships, or in your personal projects? Creating these mental bridges makes the information sticky and far more memorable than just trying to memorize abstract facts. It moves knowledge from the page into your reality. Finally, reading isn't a one-and-done activity. True learning comes from revisiting and reviewing. After you finish a book, don't just put it back on the shelf to collect dust. Spend a little time a week later, and then a month later, reviewing your notes. Try explaining the book's core concepts to a friend or a family member. This is known as the Feynman technique, and it is one of the best ways to solidify your understanding and expose any gaps in your knowledge. So, to recap, set a clear goal, inspect the book before diving in, read actively by asking questions. And taking notes in your own words, connect the ideas to your life, and review what you've learned. By following these steps, you'll not only read more efficiently, but also retain so much more. You'll turn reading into a superpower that can accelerate your learning and personal growth. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on learning and self-improvement. Let me know in the comments what book you're planning to tackle next with these new strategies. See you in the next video.